Hello.
Hi. We're going to be teaching you how to use camera for photography lessons in Hogwarts Alps.
Yeah, we're gonna teach you something about professional cameras, digital cameras, how to use them, how to use manual focusing, how to use automatic settings and manual settings, how to choose the best exposure.
Yeah, we're going to teach you composition techniques. We're going to show you how to use the shutter speeds, the manual settings on the computer. We're going to after show you how to edit the pictures. We're also going to show you how to use a tripod, how stabilised you can make your photos. It's going to be really fun.
Yeah, and we're gonna learn you how to choose the best equipment for your disabilities.
Yeah, and bring your cameras with you because we can make some amazing pictures of these amazing mountains.
Also videos.